So the reason why I have not been vlogging Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Dexter, and hold up, I totally forgot that I was playing music. My name is KK Necessary, and if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Hope you subscribe. The subscribe button is down below. You should know this by now, and hit the notification bell as well so that you can get notified on when I'll be putting out my videos. So alright, today it's gonna be a little bit of chit chat here because I was supposed to do a chit chat video with this makeup look. However, a bit of drama right there, so I'm just gonna talk to y'all about some things that I wanted to talk to y'all about. So first things first, let me tell y'all about why I have not been uploading on my channel as much as I would normally do. But before I tell y'all that, as you can see, I'm back in Jamaica. Like, I'm back in Jamaica, and you guys haven't even seen that I'm back in Jamaica. You guys didn't even see that I'm back in LA, I think. But I went back in LA, and now I'm back in Jamaica. I've been in Jamaica for a while, maybe 2 weeks now or 3. But I'm back here, and this is my first sit down video for a while. Other than from the makeup video that I did on this look, but it is my first video in a while. And yes, I've been vlogging. Like, I bring my vlogging camera everywhere with me, well, most places, because I didn't bring it to other places that I've been. So the reason why I have not been vlogging, for one, I have not been inspired that much, to be honest. Like, I'm not, I don't know if it's that because I came back to Jamaica and then I was around my boyfriend and I was trying to spend a lot of time with him. Like, for the first time being here, I was like, oh, let me spend time with my boyfriend because I've not been here for a month. So yeah, that's how long I spent in LA, a month. So I was just spending time with my boyfriend, and then I haven't done a sit down video in like months, so it's like, oh, sit down video. And then it's like, I don't know, I just have not been feeling inspired to do any kind of makeup. I haven't been going anywhere, to be honest. I've just been at home, and then there's a lot of shit going on. I wish I could share with y'all, but you know, you have them people that will watch a video and then just want to wish for your downfall, so you can't really talk about your downfall, even though you would be willing to share it. But it's like, share it and then people know your business, and some of the business is not just my business, if you understand what I mean. So you can't just, it's your people business plus your business on top of it, because you have people who are like, yeah, you want to know to understand, but you have people out there also who want to know to be like, yeah, I should go on like so she better than everybody else, and I definitely don't behave that way. But you know, you have those kind of people who will always be like that. So I wish I could share with y'all the things that I've been going through but some things you just have to go through it on your own, at least. Not really on your own, but that's why I kind of went to LA for a bit as well, because I wanted to not be in Jamaica for a while, because I was going through a whole lot during that time. And when I say a whole lot, like a whole lot of things I was going through. So thanks to my friend Tracy, she got me a ticket and I went to her house, and I spent a month, like legit a month with your friend, with my best friend actually. And it's like, it was a bit different, and it was kind of good because it kind of did take my mind off certain things for a while, and it made me look at things. It made me look at things differently as well, and it made me come back with a new perspective. And yes and no, it kind of make things a little better because I got time to breathe and be myself and do what I wanted for a bit, and trust me, it was tempted to stay a bit longer. But I just knew that I had to come back to reality. Like, you know, you just have to come back to reality even though you don't want to, but you have to just face things. And yeah, so that was that, and I'm here and I'm back, and I don't know if I am better, like if I'm okay, but definitely more. I am more okay than I was before I went to LA, because as I said, there was just a whole other things going on that you guys, I wish I could share with you all, but I cannot for the reasons I gave before. Like, yeah, so that LA trip was very needed. That Vegas birthday thing was super needed, and I am tremendously grateful for my friend, because trust me, not everybody, or not any, most people that I know would do something like that for their friend, but she did, and I'm grateful to have her in my life, because not anybody would do that, as I stated before, and she did, because she know that I needed it. Like, I really needed it. I really needed to get out of here. Like, truly needed to get out of here. So that trip was all on her. Like, not really solely on her, because I did things as well, but it was mostly on her. She paid for my tickets, everything. Like, bro. But yeah, I've been going through a whole lot of things, and maybe someday I'll be more open to open up to y'all, but for now I am not gonna tell y'all what I've been going through. And secondly, what can I say? Oh, so you guys kind of saw that I dropped off my diet. I stopped exercising and all of that. When I went back to LA, I was kind of exercising every now and then when Tracy would bring me out to exercise, because basically Tracy and I were exercise partners here in Jamaica before she left and migrated to LA, because she lives in LA. So I don't really have anybody to exercise with now, so that is kind of my problem, because I'm just at the gym by myself. And even though that's not an excuse, it kind of is an excuse. And then I don't know, because even when I was there, she was like, Kadi, look at your body last year, all this, and look at your body now. And I was like, shit, my body was popping then. My body's still popping, don't get me wrong, but it was popping then. I didn't have a tummy. My tummy was on flat, and this year it's like on, what's that? So yeah, so yeah, I'm going back to the gym next month. So we're in June. Well, we're basically in the end of June, because today is like the end of June. But going back to the gym in July, definitely. I'm on this new diet, the keto diet. Honestly, I just started it, so I'm not going to even say anything about it, but you can research it on your own if you want to. I think it's going well, but I also need to put some exercise in my routine, because I don't know, I like exercising. To be honest, I like exercising, but I don't like going. I wish there was a gym on my complex, if you understand what I mean. Then I would exercise more. Probably I would live in the gym if there was a gym on my complex, but there's none. I have to go in the halfway tree to go to the gym. If you know Jamaica, I have to go to halfway tree to go to the gym, or Canton Spring Road, because that's where I'm closer to. And sometimes it's very hard to just get up out of your house to go to the gym. Like, it might sound weird for me to say that, but who understand, who don't. All of that is my issue, and well, it's not an issue, it's an excuse actually, and I know that. But as I said before, July 1st now come, I'm in the gym, because I'm going to the gym. I'm making up my body. And what else I wanted to talk to you guys about? I don't know, I think that is it. I'm hungry. So my mind not working properly because I've been doing videos from early today, like legit early. I know it's like 3 o'clock, but because my camera, well, my memory card was acting up. Yeah. So I think that is it. This is the update of what's been happening in Kadim's world. I hope I wasn't blabbering. I think I was blabbering, but yeah, I hope I was not blabbering that much. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and comment also. I like reading you guys comments, and I also like replying to y'all comment, but y'all don't comment a lot. You guys just like and watch, comment and subscribe to my channel too. I need y'all to subscribe. Anyways guys, I'm gonna get something to eat, so I'll see you in the next video.